Hello, welcome to Sandy Ainley. I hope each one of you are well. It's been quite a while since I've last recorded, and the reason being that I just seem to be in a different world sometimes to this world, or am I maybe just feeling sometimes a bit low, and then I don't always have the motivation to work at this, and so if anybody's missed me, I'm really sorry, and please accept my apology, my deepest apology. And I'm going to show you some new clothing which I've been receiving during the time that I've not been recording. I'd love to share some of these clothes with you that I've been buying. Each item is either from Temu or Shein, I think. And the price of each item was very little, peanuts as one puts it. I thought I'd add. So dress number one, before I drop it on the floor, and it's wonderful because with these clothes, one can buy up to size, sometimes even up to size 30, 32 lady size. Isn't that just a stunner? And I'll show the back of it if I may. And I repeat, it would have cost peanuts. I don't recall the amount. I could check it, but it won't be more than maybe £15, if that, maybe. And I think that's a bargain. And I'm an absolute bargain hunter. My Betty Boop obsession. I love this top. Really excited to wear it. By the way, what I'm wearing is also new. And it comes with shorts as well, but it's about the same colouring, with a bit of this design here on the shorts, I think. And then my favourite pop star, certainly amongst my favourite, Mr. Michael Jackson. Oh, this gentleman was just a humanitarian. I think it's so sad what took place with that poor gentleman in his life. And then finally to be at the end of his life, at the age of 50. I'm 58 in December now, I think, coming up. So I think that will be my, I think, I think that's how old I'm going to be. So, or how young. My new top, isn't that just stunning? I thought I'd wear it when I go on my Christmas holiday to St. Albans, and it comes with these shorts. And showing them together, I'll try and show them to you together. Gives you a little bit of an idea, maybe. And this is very similar to what I'm wearing now. In fact, it's the same, but just different colouring. So I'll show you the shorts. And then, to each one of you, is the top. Da-na-na-na. Show you. With the shorts. Oh dear. With the shorts. How nice is that? How nice is that? And now I'm going to show you my next one, which is also the same exact design. And it might be different numbers on the shorts and tops. One pair of shorts and one t-shirt. I don't know if one describes this as a t-shirt. please Google for me, one of you. Then I have, this is a stunner now, I'm looking forward to showing you this. This is my new, it's a dress. It's a stunning dress. That's my dress. And this is the top of the dress. And then to go with it, it comes with this lovely black and white cardigan jacket, I name it as. I'll show you the front if I may. And there's the front. And it goes, as I said, with this. So, nice combination of black and white. I'll show you a little bit better. I'm just trying to, this gives you a bit of an idea, I hope. I don't think I showed it to you correctly. However, I'm doing my best. I'm sitting here struggling a bit because I'm not showing each one as nicely as I'd like to. It's difficult because I'm recording on a small phone, small phone. Right. Same design, just a different colour and pattern a bit different. These are my favourite of these three. They're lovely turquoisey blue ones. I can wear this type of shorts or trousers or 3/4, whatever one names them as, on Valentine's Day. However, I choose one. Trust Sandy, please, to have three. So if I may show you, please, the next pair of bottoms, so to speak. These, to me, are pyjamas. Although one can get away with wearing them if I wear it with a plain large top or t-shirt, as I might have correctly said to something, piece of clothing earlier in this video. And there's these. And they're quite long, these ones. One more t-shirt and a pussycat coming along. Hello, Oreo. You wanting to cuddle? Darling, look at the screen, please. You good boy. You good boy, aren't you, sweetie? Yeah, she's a nice baby. Good boy. Look at you, so beautiful. Oh, there's my last. Oh no, there's a kind of pair of trousers to show you as well. Ori, darling. You're welcome to sit on me. You're welcome to come. You're welcome, baby. That's my top. I got it correct. Yes, I have. And one more piece of clothing, and then I'm going to show you my new dishwasher. I'm so excited. So, it's this side I'd like you to see because I've got the belt nicely fitted. There we are for a pair of trousers. Just need to lift up this bit. It's the design. Lovely black and white. A nice belt at the top to go with the top. The trousers, I mean. Oh gosh, I've got it round me. I'm trying to put myself in prison, maybe. Just joking. So if I may just show you my dishwasher, please, without showing the television, please. So I'll do it. And I'll show it to you from where I'm sitting. Right, I've got a treat for you, to each one of you. There. my new dishwasher. It's a little one. My lovely Bubala, who is my mother, bought them for me. And it's just stunning, isn't it? I'm so excited. I'm going to try and use it today. Please wish me luck. Please. So thank you again for watching. It's so nice to see you. And thank you yet again. Lots of love. And remember, please, Sandy is the best. Just joking. And please remember, variety is the spice of life. And each one of us are and is the best. So lots of love. Please take care. And please take care of one another. Please. Lots of love.